Our alumni speaker this afternoon is Tom Walden. Tom is a 1973 graduate of Dunwoody's machine design program. Tom began his career with Trinity Industries, designing television inspection and repair equipment for water and wastewater sanitary systems. He moved to Strom Engineering Corporation and served as a recruiter, general manager, and senior vice president and chief operating officer of a technical staffing company with 1,000 employees working around the country. His clients included 3M, General Mills, Honeywell, Caterpillar, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin. Today, Tom is the owner and general manager of CRTechnical, a technical staffing company that provides staffing for the aviation, medical, and manufacturing industries. He is a member of the Minnesota Precision Manufacturing Association, Minnesota Technical Services Association, the Staffing Association of Minnesota, and the American Staffing Association. Please welcome Mr. Tom Walden.
Thank you. Appreciate being here today. I believe every Dunwoody grad can make a difference in the world today by utilizing the skills that were acquired here at Dunwoody. I'm reminded of a story of an engineer who died and was on his way to heaven, or at least he thought he was. And he gets up and knocks on the pearly gates, and St. Peter answers and said, "Well, you're not here, you're down there." So the engineer went down to hell, and immediately the devil started putting him to work, improving the conditions in hell. He added such things as air conditioning, which I am assuming was a Dunwoody grad, elevators, escalators, all the improvements that you would expect an engineer to do. Well, one day the devil was bragging to God about what a great job this engineer was doing down in hell, improving the conditions. And God was really upset. He said, "There's something wrong here. This engineer was not supposed to be down there. He's supposed to be up here." And he got so upset, he said, "I'm going to sue." And the devil looked around and laughed at him and said, "Yeah, where are you going to find a lawyer?" Well, there was an engineer that was making a difference, or at least God took notice of him. I think it's important that as Dunwoody grads, we go out and make a difference in the world. And that should be one of your primary goals in life, is to be out there investing in people. I know when I came to Dunwoody back in 1971, I had been recently married, and I needed a career and I needed to make some money. And Dunwoody got me that start. The faculty and the teachers all invested in me, and I appreciate that. And it was something that really got me a start in my career. It taught me discipline, diligence, and pride in my work. And those are important things. Throughout my life, many people have invested in me throughout my career, helping teach me in supervision, management, and ultimately to own my own company. I think it's important that we all invest in people. We're going to go out and do a job, but we need to invest in people. Invest in your family. Invest in friends. Invest in your coworkers. And yes, even invest in your supervisors. Go out and mentor a young person, or maybe even help a senior citizen. But go out and invest in people. It's important. It's not just about making money. Another thing you can do to make a difference out in the world is to continue learning. That will make a difference. From 1950 to 1970, information doubled. That was a 20-year time frame. From 1970 to 1990, another 20 years, information doubled. Information is doubling at the rate of 1.5 to 2 years now. We're exploding with information. We've got to continue learning. They say a person graduating today will probably have 4 or 5 different careers in their lifetime. It's absolutely essential that you continue to learn. Stay current with the technology and the changes in the world. Now, Dunwoody has been making a difference, and I've been noting a number of neat changes that Dunwoody's done in the last few years. I noticed that they've added a new female board of director chairperson, Andrea Newman. They've added a new multicultural center with the goal to create and sustain an environment that encourages and nurtures diversity at the Dunwoody College of Technology. These are all neat things that Dunwoody is doing. I understand that in the fall, a new charter school that Dunwoody's been working with, a new charter high school, is going to be in place. This is an opportunity, again, to invest back into the community and to help people get involved in technology. Another thing that firsthand knowledge is Dunwoody's been involved in robotic competitions, again, to encourage students and high school students to come in and look at getting involved in the math and sciences. These are ways that Dunwoody has been involved, making a difference. Dunwoody continues to add new curriculum, new degrees. They recently added a BS degree in applied management. Again, changing with the times, making a difference. Recently, the last couple of years, there was a merger of the NEI Electronics School into Dunwoody. There again, making a difference. So go out there and make a difference. These are exciting times. Nanotechnology, automation, medical innovations are just starting to happen. Even the things that you've learned today and have just been learning are continuing to change. It's extremely important to stay up to date with your skills. If it's going to change in the next couple of years, the information, you've got to be back out there continuing to educate and learn. Help keep that knowledge that you've learned at Dunwoody fresh. Or potentially Dunwoody may introduce you to another career down the road. So I just want to encourage you, I've got great confidence that the education you've received at Dunwoody has given you all the tools you need to excel in the job market today. And again, congratulations.